All right, welcome back everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. I got up kind of early this morning, so early in fact that there is still steam. Well, you can't even see it because of the steam coming off the water. I'm back at my favorite spillway. I'm kind of addicted to fishing here. But one thing I want to let you guys know is I brought the bait caster and the other tuned up customs. So I got both my tuned up customs rods, one spinner, one bait caster. What I'm gonna do, I won't tell you exactly what I'm targeting, but if you guys know where I'm at, you know I've got two fish in mind right now. I'm gonna be casting for everything. Water is warmer than the air. It's like 40 degrees outside, and I'm hoping they're biting. Usually you get like a little opportunity in the fall to get into some really good action. So my fingers are crossed, and I hope yours are too. We get into some fish here. If you guys enjoy these videos, remember to hit that thumbs up button. All the likes I can get will help me go into this winter strong. So hit that thumbs up button, and then obviously if you're new here and you like these videos, consider subscribing. I don't tell anybody to do it, but if you want to do it and you enjoy this stuff like I do, hopefully you guys stick around. But let's get started.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with today. Got my tuned up customs Apex Elite. This is medium fast. This is my walleye rod, but it's got a 1000 reel on it, and then my Matsuo jerkbait. So that's my ultralight setup. And the first thing I'm going to throw is my meat stick here, the new bait caster. I'm going to try the paddle tail Kitech. See if there's anything down here looking to eat some big fish. That's 30-pound braid, so we'll see if we put this thing to use. Little guys. Okay, gonna have to give this guy a break. Hopefully, I just snagged that tree. Hopefully I don't scare anything that was down here willing to eat away. But I think I'm gonna have to go ultralight here in order to get a bite. And switch up to the spinning rod and the Matsuo. It's small enough that just about anything will eat it. Big Northern will eat it too, though. I had one right there. Hit it as soon as it came over that little waterfall. Alright. Let's see if the good old red and white Meps does it. I was surprised nothing hit the jerkbait. I mean, I had one fish by the waterfall, but I might have snagged a carp, so I'm not sure. Alright, 200 casts later, I'm going to switch it to a smaller bait. I don't know if they're just not active or if there's no fish here right now.
Alright, so I've gone through three different baits so far. I I threw the swim bait, the Kitech. That's a 3.8 inch. Nothing, well, I feel like I had a couple bites on that this morning, but nothing committed to it. Through the jerk bait, I think I had one on the jerk bait, but I literally hit the waterfall, and when it hit the little waterfall, there was a fish there waiting for it. So I don't know if they're eating minnows, but hopefully they're eating something small, because I threw, was it a number 2 Meps? That was the red and white Meps. Usually works really good down here. Apparently they're not biting that yet. It is still really early, but I'm going to my last resort here. Beetle spin. This is a tadpole spin from JB Lures. Usually this little guy catches everything down here. I mean, I've caught everything from Northern Pike to crappie to bluegill on it. So doesn't matter what swims down here. If they're really, really finicky, they should bite that. If I'm not getting any bites on that, you guys won't be seeing this.
All right. Here's to hoping they're eating this again. Fish. Possible Northern Pike. Not possible, very likely. That's one. Everything eats it. That's crazy. I had to downsize to this to catch a Northern Pike. Leader's good. Alright, let's get some more. Fish. Wow, that was a big Northern Pike. With a largemouth. I wasn't sure if I was bumping bottom, but apparently these guys are down here. A little largemouth. Are there any bigger ones? Oops. see there's a ton of these little guys. He's just a little guy.
Okay, so we're gonna take this and move it up the river a little bit here. I had a chance at like 2 more northern pike after those little guys. You guys probably won't see it because I could just see them in the water come up after my bait. But otherwise, I'm not getting too much more bites. I got a bunch of, well, it was like 3 or 4 of those little guys. I got 1 little micro smallmouth and then like 3 largemouth little guys, but they're still fish. The water is definitely cold, but I'm gonna give it a try here. I'm gonna try in these rapids here, and there's a little pool around the corner in the river here. I'm gonna try it in there. Maybe I'll get lucky, something else is stacked up. I was hoping to get some smallmouth too, along with the northern pike. I'm really surprised I'm not getting tons of northern pike, but that might be a little bit, I might be a little bit early. You gotta wait till the water gets pretty cold for them to stack up, but hopefully the next thing you see is me around the corner here getting some fish.
Oh, there's a fish in there. Little largemouth. little guys. Need to get me some big guys. Alright. I'm gonna throw this big guy around for a little bit, then probably call it. Oh, he got him. I actually saw that guy come up to the surface. Maybe they'd eat it if they saw it. I do not think. Oh, maybe I can get this back on there.
Alright guys, so that last northern pike is probably going to be the last one I try to catch today. I got tons of stuff to do still, but as you guys can see back there, that spillway right there is going to be, it's like my kryptonite. Either I do really, really good or I do mediocre. But either way, I do usually get some fish. So today I got fish. What is that? I caught 1 northern, like 3 little bass, 1 smallmouth, like micro, and then obviously I lost 2 northern pike. One you guys definitely seen, different one I lost underwater. That was a really big one actually. And then I seen 1 or 2 come up and swipe at it. I thought I'd get more on the Kitech, because usually the northern pike down here, if there's any big minnow baits or something like that, they eat them up. Today was not that day, but either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, hit that like button if you guys enjoy these videos. I'm trying to get out as many as I can this fall before ice, so stay tuned for those. But like I said before, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to